1, 2, 3.
With the glowing of our love.
Today's swimming session was so refreshing. I've been wanting to make swimming a regular habit again. The last time I swam was ages ago. Probably last year. I don't know why I stopped, considering swimming is one of the most comfortable workouts. It never feels too exhausting, and the best part is you don't get sweaty, right? And luckily, my go-to gym has a really nice swimming pool, super clean and with warm water. That's why I've decided to start swimming more often again this year. I finished showering and styling my hair. Now it's time for me to do the skincare. I want to show you my go-to routine for when my skin is going through a breakout phase. Honestly, my past self would have never dared to show her bare face because I used to struggle with and feel insecure about all the acne scars on my skin. It's been frustrating. I need to treat active acne until it calms down before using products to fade the scars. But whenever I focus on treating the scars, new breakouts appear. It feels like an endless cycle, doesn't it? But now I'm way happier because I have learned to appreciate myself more. I'm trying to embrace my skin as it is and feeling more confident showing my bare face. Having acne and acne scars is completely normal and human. Acne doesn't make us any less beautiful, because we are beautiful in our own ways, inside and out. Our value as human beings remains the same with or without acne. So I'm just choosing to be kinder to myself throughout my acne journey. Let me quickly show you my OOTD before I start working. I'm in love with today's outfit. From the front, it looks modest, neat, and slightly formal, but turn around and you will see a fun cutout in the back. Perfect for those of us working from home. Good morning. What a lovely day. The weather is so much brighter than yesterday's gloom. I've decided to enjoy my morning reading session out here on the balcony to make the most of it. I love spending time in my papasan chair here, watching the clouds drift across the clear sky. There is something incredibly peaceful about it. Nothing calms me quite like gazing at the sky. It instantly lifts my spirits and brings me joy. Oh, if you might have realized, please excuse the noise. There are some constructions happening nearby, so you might hear machinery in the background. I'm so sorry, but I hope it won't be too distracting. I've been faithfully reading the Daily Stoic since last year. For those who don't know, this book offers daily Stoicism passages, so you read the entry matching today's date. Today's passage is about prepare for the storm. Interesting. Let me break it down for you. Just as the weather experts can now accurately predict storm patterns, we too can prepare ourselves for life's challenges. The text reminds us that we are defenseless against a hurricane only if we refuse to prepare. We must plan for potential difficulties because we have the advantage of foresight, the ability to bear up against these metaphorical hurricanes in our own way. If we don't make the effort to plan and protect ourselves from adversity, how can we expect to overcome hardships? I'm also reading another self-development book called Philosophy. Don't let its small size fool you. It's packed with powerful insights. One of my favorite takeaways so far is don't be afraid to take a step forward just because you're scared of making mistakes. Growth often requires taking risks. Each mistake teaches us something valuable and shapes who we become. Rather than viewing mistakes as pure failures, we should see them as natural parts of being human. I highly recommend giving this a read. It's fantastic. You know what? It's raining so hard right now with all the thunders, lightnings and everything, and suddenly the electricity just went down. I was like, who just turned off all of my lamps? Apparently, the thunder's dead. It's so scary. Guys, my little brother is making a lapchung fried rice for lunch. He's the absolute chef of the family. While I'm here, just sitting and waiting for the fried rice to be cooked. Yeah, I know, I'm the bad guy here. I can even help him to cook. Oh my god. But I guess we should see the cooking progress. Heading to a cafe to work today, all dressed up and ready to go. I find that a change in work environment helps me focus better and be more productive. I'm so grateful for having the flexibility to work from anywhere. I'm so excited to make the most of it today. back home. I feel so tired and sleepy. But I just repurchased 2 products that I have completely used up. Let's do a quick haul of my repurchases while I have some free time. First up is this Bioderma micellar water. I finished the entire bottle down to the last drop. I love this because it's the only micellar water that is truly gentle on my sensitive acne-prone skin. While other micellar waters can trigger breakouts if not rinsed off properly, this brand is completely safe and leaves no oily residue. Plus, unlike other brands that sometimes stings my skin, this one feels incredibly gentle. Next is this Appleseed Lip and Eye Makeup Remover from Innisfree. This is my holy grail because it never stings my eyes, even though it contains oil to effectively remove waterproof makeup. Can you see that? It leaves no residue and remains completely gentle on the eyes, which is amazing. For the rest of the items, these ones are actually new, not a repurchase. I picked it up out of curiosity. The first one that I got is this perfume from the brand Soft & Co. This is their Cloud Mist edition in the scent Brulee. I mean, look at the packaging. It's giving so PFG, that's why I picked her. I can't wait to try this. The scent notes are amazing. And the second one, this is a cream blush from the brand BLP in the shade 1987. Since it's my first time trying it, I can't review it yet, but I will definitely share my thoughts once I do. Can't wait! I'm so excited to share my latest purchase with you. Oh my god! My 2025 calendar has just arrived, finally! This is beautiful. This is the prettiest calendar I've ever owned. If you have been following around, you will know this minimalist style has been my go-to type of calendar for years because this kind of calendar adds a clean, aesthetic touch to my bedroom or my workspace. The simple one-page design makes it easy to see my entire year at a glance, which I absolutely love. Let me show you how I hang it. I use 2 small hooks on the wall and I create holes on both ends of the calendar. Then I thread a string through the holes to hang it securely between the hooks. This method keeps the calendar perfectly aligned and creates a clean, minimalist look. I know it's still a little bit curled up, but that's okay. It's so pretty.